Hi, this is Petr Kunz from Prague, from Digital Solutions brand, and in the next few minutes, I will share with you what we achieved in the ending year 2021. Let's start with our flagship, which is HCL Notes and Domino, and the big milestone is that we released a main new version 12 during the summer that brought a new updated user interface for users. You can see this on the screen, like new desktop, new workspace, as well as new templates and a way how to develop new and modern looking applications. We also brought some updates and candies for Domino admins. Those are enhancements that they ask for, like two-factor authentication. So web users can log in to Domino applications not only via username and password, but as well as with a 6-digit code provided by TOTP application on the mobile phone, for example. We added semi-automatic and easy to manage certificate management store for managing user and server certificates. And last but not least, we completely added a new feature, new functionality for admins, Domino Backup and Restore feature that they can use standalone or in connectivity or in integration with the existing backup system like Veeam, for example. That's update for existing duo of clients and servers. But what we release completely new is a fresh new client for Domino. It is called HCL Nomad for web, and this is how it looks. This is Notes client. You can know it probably, and you open application and work with it online or offline. And that new client runs completely in browser. It's called Nomad, and you do not need to install anything on end user workstations. You just open browser, Chrome for example, and open the same application without no recording, no update, no web development or conversions. It is still good old Notes application running in web browser. But let's not stop on desktop. Let's go mobile. Let me share my iPad on this screen. Yeah, that's my iPad. And we've got Nomad for mobile applications, for tablet, smartphones, iPhones, iPads, Android devices as well. So this is my workspace, the same workspace connecting to the same server, but this time from tablet. Let's open the same application. Okay, click to vacations, and you can see I've got the same. Moreover, I can go offline on this mobile device. So if I do this, all data are synchronized and put offline to this specific mobile device, and I can use it when I am away from Wi-Fi signal or data connectivity or anything like this. And so if we put all three nomads on the screen, you can see the same application running on one server, accessible from three different devices: web, rich client, and mobile client. What we published, speaking about Notes and Domino, let's say gift, let's say December gift for our Domino customers is a set of online lectures, 5 online lectures describing and educating the new features that we added to the latest release. So simply by clicking this URL, it is available for everyone for free. I mentioned users and users and admins. Let's not forget about developers. For developers, we released 3 new updates for our Domino Volt extension. Domino Volt is a tool that allows you to quickly and easily create web applications. And you do not code it, you do not code those applications in JavaScript, Java, Lotus script, or anything like this. You assemble the application in this web designer, let's say web assemble tool, by simply dragging and dropping it on the dashboard. You can modify, you can specify the parameters, and by this assembling web application, you can create something like this. This is the result. This is the same application. This is in edit mode. This is edit mode, and this is application in production mode, how end users, and it could be your employees or even external users, external anonymous or authenticated users, and they can, for example, in this case, raise a request like, hey, I need a new laptop, or I need new monitor, hardware, monitor, and it filters out software and hardware based on the category. You can connect it to your Domino and so on. So Domino Vault, a new fresh tool how to develop web applications on Domino. If you go further in this way, in this Domino Vault development, these are examples of apps that you can create on the Vault themselves. So these are real examples, functional and working, that people created in this Vault. We continuously update HCL Sametime, our tool for communication, collaboration, web conferencing, web meetings. You can choose from rich client, desktop client, and mobile client. And for internal people, it is available as a add-on to Domino, and you can invite external collaborators to your web meetings for free. The great benefit is that it is running on your premises, on your controlled hardware, and you do not need to rely on some hosting, web cloud providers or anything. It is under your control, which is sometimes very useful in your work in control environment, and you need everything under your management. And last product that I will mention that we updated in our digital solutions family is Volt MX. MX means mobile experience, and it's a tool for easy development of mobile applications that should run on phones, tablets, maybe as a desktop web application in progressive web application mode. You can create it, you can develop it in the designer that you see on the screen. There is also a strong backend that can do all the integration, workflow, authentication, authorization, anything that is available for designers, for application designers. And the same as I show for web apps, those are mobile apps, really mobile apps developed by our customers in Volt MX. The tools and products that I mentioned during this short overview, like Domino Volt for web development, Sametime for online meetings, or Nomad as a Notes web client, you can try all of those 3 new additions to our portfolio. You can try it right now for free for unlimited number of time. Just clicking on this digital solution sandbox, create your personal account, and play either yourself alone or with your colleagues. We have an environment for you to explore these new features. And last slide, what we plan for next year, some teasers. Speaking about Notes and Domino, we released the latest update 12.01 just 2 days ago, so it is pretty new and a real Christmas gift. And speaking about other products, we will update soon after New Year's Eve Domino Volt 105 with updated workflow design. For Domino developers, we are preparing Domino Keep, which is a set of new REST API that allows you to access Domino data from outside world. and we will release Sametime version 12 with updated features and user interface. So that's from digital solutions, what we achieved in the just ending year, 2021, and small overview for the next year. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the session.